I want to introduce our company today and our very nice product. So I'm the CEO of ELSA Industry, and my name is Katrin Mayrhofer, and we have here the CEO of ELSA Industry, who is
Christian Patrascu.
And we have our head of research and development in H2 Systems.
Hello, I'm Rado Kerligiano.
And then we have our most important person here, who is our young colleague.
Hello, my name is Stefan Pană.
And actually Stefan is the head of development for our racing car department. And I call him Tech Dude officially, so he's very talented and we're happy to have you on board. And all together, the last month, we also have our CTO, Dr. Albert Arnault, who can't be with us today because he deserved vacation actually. So he's not with us. But nevertheless, we made our design for our ELSA H cargo UAV, which have a modular system. So, and this is one part of our activity. So our main core business is actually composite manufacturing. And talking about that, we got a fantastic partner in Missouri, who is Kelly Echols from LeVanta Tech. Hi, Kelly.
Hi, Katrin.
Glad to have you here. And together with Kelly, we designed and manufactured actually the first alpha prototype of the Halia.
Yes,
That's right.
that's right. Our prototype float and fly drone.
Exactly. So we are excited to be here, and stay tuned because in the future there will be a lot of updates from us about the UAV float and fly and about the UAV cargo vehicle. And we today just signed the first MOU with our customer Cosmo Goram Group in India. We are very happy about that. We keep you posted for the next activities, especially for the testing which is ahead of the Halia. See you all!